Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be diving into a common question we often receive: how to delete a server on Discord. So, let's jump right in. Step 1. The first step is to open Discord and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, locate the server you want to delete in the server list on the left-hand side. Step 2. Click on the server and then click on the little arrow. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on Server Settings. Step 3. Now you're in the Server Settings menu. On the left-hand side, you'll see various options. Scroll down until you find the Delete Server option. Clicking on Delete Server will bring up a confirmation dialog. Discord wants to make sure you're absolutely certain about deleting your server, as this action is irreversible. Step 4. In the confirmation dialog, you'll need to re-enter your server name in the provided text box. This is a final step to prevent accidental deletions. Once you've re-entered the server name, click the Delete Server button at the bottom. Congratulations! You successfully deleted the server. You'll be removed from the server, and it will disappear from your server list. And that's all there is to it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Discord-related tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.